Hi class, we come to the part of our college level learning essay where we need to start bringing in outside research. So I'll use this short video to review briefly our assignment for this research activity. I will show you how to get to the library site. I'll show you where the library's tutorial is, and then this is the instructor's video that I'm taking you through. With the video, we're going to search with InfoTrac, and I'll show you how to find the article that we're going to use to complete your assignment. And then I'll show you how to do some other searches, maybe some business searches for information you might use in your college level learning essay. So first of all, just to be clear, we are using the research activity from class 3. I'm sorry, this isn't fitting in. Okay, I fixed it. Basically, the assignment tells you to watch the tutorial on Baker and to view my video, which you're doing now. We're going to pull up an article. It's actually this article down here, and that is correct MLA style. This assignment requires you to summarize a part of this article and label it summary. Paraphrase a part of this article and label it paraphrase. Same with quotation, and then to provide a works cited page for this article. You might want to refresh your memory by going to a writer's reference to see how to do correct summaries, paraphrases, etc. Okay, so let's go to the Collins Library and find out how to get this article. Okay, we're going to just go with the general information that we want to find more information about Kolb's experiential learning. Let's say I have not given you an article, so you can't just cut and paste the name of the article and go find it. But let's just say you need some more information. So what I'll do first is just go to bakeru.edu/resources. Then under academics, we'll choose library. And we will get this page. If you scroll down, you'll find research tutorials, and this will take you through the Collins Library generally. I want to be a little more specific in what we're doing right now. Let's say we want to start with some general information about Kolb and experiential learning. So I'm going to start with a database. We already have background information, so I want a little more detail. So I want to find articles on my topic. Find a journal. That's if you have a specific name of a journal, and the full text is if you know the full name of the article you're looking for. But let's say we don't know what we're looking for. Let's start with databases. You'll see highlighted some of the databases that I use often. The Academic Search Premier. LexisNexis is going to give you business articles, medical articles, very specific articles. Business Source Premier will help you pull up certain businesses. And then right now we're going to go to InfoTrac to get some general information. Here I will type in my keyword, Kolb, experiential learning. My search brings up 3 magazine results. Patient simulation and EMS. Don't think that's what we're looking for in this course. Learning Style Theories by Peggy Stewart. Personnel Journal, September 1992. That's a bit dated, but again, we're wanting some general information about Kolb. So let's check this out. We'll click on full text. And here we have the full text brought up for us. We can read the full text right here. Don't mean to make you dizzy, but I want to scroll to the bottom, and I'll show you right here our citation is provided for us. This is the MLA format. I think we need to check that the date is correct on how they cite that with the date-wise. I think that is correct. But you want to check that in. a writer's reference. Let's go back to the top of the page. So this is the full text I want you to use in citing for your research activity. Just read through this, find some places you can read to paraphrase, find another spot you can read to summarize, and put that on your own separate document and upload that. This is going to be a great activity to help us get a full grasp on how to look at an article for a summary, how to paraphrase certain pieces, and it keeps us from just relying on the quotations. Let's go ahead and look at some other searches. I'm back at bakeru.edu and we'll go to the academics and click on library. We'll go back to databases. And let's try Academic Search Premier. I'll let you go from here. This is the EBSCO host, and you just type in whatever it is you're looking for. Maybe you're looking for ethics in business. Just click on search. The search button is over here a little off the screen, and you're on your way to some great research. Just a quick glance, ethics as a business strategy. This is a little more recent, January 2011. You can get the full text, you can get PDF. Some of these will even pull up an abstract for you, and sometimes you'll see a symbol that will provide the MLA format for you as well. So keep looking for that in your searches. In summary, we looked at the research activity assignment. I showed you how to get on the library site from Baker University Resources. I showed you the tutorial. We watched my video. We searched InfoTrac for the Kolb article that we'll use in our research activity, and I showed you briefly how to do other searches. We use the library, Collins Library, to ensure that we're finding relevant, academic, current, and reliable sources. It's much better to use than Google. When we use Google, we really have to wade through a lot of material before we find something that's really useful. With the Collins Library, we can go right to a very useful source.